Her children arise up and call her blessed. Her husband also, and he praiseth her. Happy Mother's Day. Cascade, here are your highlighted announcements. Do you need legal advice but don't have the means or opportunity to speak with an attorney? If your answer is yes, Cascade's legal ministry encourages you to take part in the Gate City Bar Association Community Law Clinic on Saturday, May 19th from 12 to 4 p.m. at Greenbrier Mall. For more information, contact Gate City Law Clinic at gmail.com or Cascade's Legal Ministry, Denise Bruce Clopton, dbruceclopton@bellsouth.net. The Legal Ministry is joining with Cascade's Children's Ministry to foster our next generation of attorneys. A law day event featuring a mock trial will be held on May 18th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at Stonewall Tell Elementary School. B.B. Wolf versus Curly the Pig will take place in front of an actual judge. Please contact childrensministry.cumc@gmail.com for more details. And culminating the weekend, Sunday, May 20th, is the annual Law and Justice Worship Service here at Cascade at 11:30 a.m. Fulton County Attorney R. David Ware is the speaker, and the Honorable Marvin Arrington is the honoree. The Women's Chorus is joining in on the fight against childhood obesity in its upcoming Holy, Holy Thine Wellness Weekend, June 2nd and 3rd. On Saturday, experts will share ideas on health-related issues. Proceeds will benefit the nonprofit Choices Organization, a resource center for childhood obesity. Registration is available downstairs today after worship service. And on Sunday, June 3rd at 6 p.m., the Women's Chorus, directed by Kenny Banks, sings praises unto God. Mark your calendars for Sunday, June 10th for Cascade's first ever Good Food Market, sponsored by the Health and Wellness Ministry. Eat samples of produce from Atlanta area urban farmers. Grow your understanding of what and how to eat to prevent illness, and most importantly, learn how you can support your healthy lifestyle by discovering restaurants and grocers that sell and prepare locally grown produce. Cascade's Bowling League rolls its way into the summer season this Tuesday, May 15th at Metro Lanes and Games on Metropolitan Avenue. Anyone 18 and older is invited to come out. Contact Maria Brayboy or Al Gardner at algardnersr@gmail.com. Come tee up with the Golf Ministry as it prepares for the first ever multi-church golf challenge in June. Atlanta area churches will compete in Christian fun and bragging rights for the best golfers. If you've got game, contact Shonda Dixon or Jeffrey Johnson at jeffrey2johns@aol.com. And don't forget to sign up for In the Footsteps of Christ, Pilgrimage to Israel with Pastor Moss coming this November. The 9-day trip includes visits to the Sea of Galilee, the Mount of Beatitudes, and much, much more. Contact Mark Jackson or visit the Rhodes Scholar website. For the rest of ministry and special announcements, visit us at cascadeumc.org. Read your weekly opportunities to serve. Sign up for our weekly Pathway e-blasts or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.